nutrition in pet birds is a major contributor to disease and shortened lifespan. It's easy for a new bird owner to be confused by the wide array of bird foods and treats available. Unfortunately, many so-called complete bird foods on the market consist of mostly or all seeds, which are not the best choice. The exact dietary requirements of most birds are actually unknown. Studies of wild birds show that they eat a wide variety of foods, including fruits, leaves, buds, berries, seeds, nuts, insects, and other items. And these things vary by season. So while it's true that parrots in the wild likely eat fruit, seeds, and grains, these items from their environment are completely different from those grown in North America and sold in pet stores. Also, parrots and many other birds in the wild perform high levels of aerobic exercise in the form of flying, which requires some degree of fat for energy. Captive parrots simply cannot perform this level of exercise. For this reason, diets with too much energy will eventually lead to excessive weight gain and heart and artery disease as the bird ages. Current scientific recommendations are 75% a formulated or a pelleted diet and 25% carefully selected table foods, such as green leafy vegetables, other vegetables, and whole grains. Typical American food items high in fat and sugar are never recommended. Many companies make formulated or pelleted diets, and most are based on similar scientific evidence of basic nutritional needs. But these are a huge improvement over diets containing seeds and other high-fat items. The occasional seed or other treat can still be used as a reward for training desired behaviors and to teach birds to forage for food, which is covered in another video. Converting a seed-loving parrot to a pelleted diet can be a challenge. Follow your veterinarian's recommendation on how to convert your bird to a healthy formulated diet. Most birds need to learn to accept new or less preferred foods. Converting all at once is almost never recommended. Some experts may recommend diets made of carefully selected table foods without a formulated diet. But feeding a homemade diet requires the advice of a skilled and trained nutritionist to create a diet with the correct levels and proportions of fat, carbohydrates, and vitamins and minerals. Birds on homemade diets must also eat every part of the diet offered to avoid an imbalance. For this reason, formulated diets and pellets are much easier and less effort. It should be kept in mind some birds have special dietary requirements. For example, birds like African gray parrots are susceptible to problems with calcium and vitamin D levels. Other birds like lories, mynas, and toucans are prone to iron storage disease and need a special low iron diet. Your avian veterinarian can advise you on current recommendations on how to prevent nutrition-related diseases and help your pet live a long and healthy life.